Trusting in the sanity and restraint of the United States is not an option. Go home and die.
I'm back to put it in motion. I'm back to tell you no lies. Sit back and sip on this notion. I'm back to